Have you ever wondered why a computer can write a poem but struggles to understand that if you drop a glass on the floor, it will shatter? Current artificial intelligence is incredibly good at predicting the next word in a sentence. Yet it lacks a basic grasp of how the physical world works. This gap is the core of the debate led by computer scientist Yann LeCun. To understand his critique, we first look at how these systems learn. Imagine teaching a child by having them read every book in a library. They learn to guess the next word based on patterns they have seen before. This is the heart of large language models, or LLMs. They use a structure called a transformer, which looks at a sequence of data and calculates the probability of what comes next. The problem is that LLMs only learn from text. They do not experience the world, because they only predict the next token or piece of information. They do not build an internal model of reality. They are like a person who has memorized a map but has never walked the streets. If you ask them to navigate a new path, they often fail because they lack true understanding. Yann LeCun argues that this approach is inefficient. It requires massive amounts of data to learn simple concepts that a human child picks up in minutes. He proposes a different path called the Joint Embedding Predictive Architecture, or JEPA. Think of JEPA as a system that learns by observing the world rather than just reading about it. Instead of predicting every single pixel or word, it creates a high-level summary of what is happening. We call this an embedding. An embedding is a compact mathematical representation that captures the essence of an object or event. The JEPA architecture has two main parts. First is an encoder, which turns raw data like a video or an image into this compact summary. Second is a predictor, which tries to guess the summary of the next moment in time. Because it predicts abstract summaries instead of exact details, it ignores unimportant noise. It focuses on the big picture, like the fact that a glass is falling, rather than the exact position of every dust particle in the air. This is a powerful shift. By predicting abstract states, the system develops an internal model of how the world changes. It learns that objects persist, that gravity exists, and that actions have consequences. This grounding is what LLMs currently lack. You might wonder why we do not just keep scaling up LLMs. The misconception is that more data will eventually lead to true intelligence. Yann LeCun suggests that we are hitting a wall. We are building systems that are great at imitating human language but are fundamentally blind to the physical logic that governs our lives. The JEPA approach aims to build machines that can plan and reason. If an eye can predict the outcome of its actions in an abstract space, it can simulate different futures before it acts. This is how humans solve problems. We do not just react to the next word. We imagine the result of our choices. This moves us toward a future where artificial intelligence is not just a clever mimic, but a system that understands the world it inhabits. It is a shift from learning by guessing to learning by modeling. By focusing on these abstract representations, we are teaching machines to see the world as we do, through the lens of cause and effect. This is the foundation for the next generation of intelligent systems that can truly reason about the reality they share with us. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.app.